Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Swift key autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, autocorrection, text correction, and here you can find this option autocorrection, correct words while typing, and you can switch here and switch this feature here too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.